The Poco X8 Pro Iron Man Edition is one of those rare smartphones that instantly stands out the moment you see it. In a market filled with boring and repetitive designs, this phone brings something fresh and exciting. While the internal hardware remains the same as the standard Poco X8 Pro, the real magic is in the design. The back panel features a stunning multi-layered Iron Man graphic, combining glossy and matte textures to create a premium and eye-catching look. The centerpiece shows Iron Man along with the Stark Industries branding, and even the LED flash is cleverly placed inside an arc reactor-style design, making it glow like Iron Man's core when turned on. The unboxing experience is just as impressive. The phone comes in a unique box designed like a briefcase for the Iron Man suit, which already sets the tone. Inside, you get themed accessories including a stylish protective case, a red USB-C cable, and even a custom SIM ejector tool that looks like a Marvel collectible. This level of attention to detail makes the phone feel special right from the start, especially for fans of Marvel and Iron Man. In terms of design and build, the phone feels compact and solid in hand. The textured back adds grip, while the gold accents around the camera module enhance the premium feel. Even the included case is designed to match the Iron Man theme, with a look inspired by the armor itself. On the software side, Poco has added custom wallpapers and icons that resemble Tony Stark's tech interface, although it misses an opportunity by not including themed sounds or animations. Moving to the display, the device features a bright and vibrant AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth scrolling and good visibility even outdoors. Performance is powered by the Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset paired with 12GB RAM, which provides smooth everyday usage, though it still falls into the mid-range category rather than flagship-level power. It handles apps and multitasking well, but it's not the fastest device in its class. The camera system is decent but not exceptional. It includes a 50MP main sensor that captures good photos in normal conditions, along with an 8MP ultra-wide camera that feels a bit basic compared to modern competitors. The front camera does a solid job for selfies, but overall, the camera setup is more practical than impressive. Battery life is one of the strong points of this phone. With a large 6500 mAh battery, it can easily last up to 2 days on moderate usage. The 100W fast charging is another highlight, allowing the phone to recharge quickly. However, the lack of wireless charging is a noticeable drawback. In the end, the Poco X8 Pro Iron Man Edition is not about raw performance or cutting-edge innovation. It's about style, personality, and uniqueness. At its price point, it offers a solid mid-range experience combined with one of the coolest smartphone designs in recent years. If you're a Marvel fan or someone who wants a phone that actually looks different, this device is a fantastic choice. But if you care more about top-tier performance or camera quality, there are better options available.